Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Sharda. Our today's recipe is biscuit cake in cooker. This recipe is a very simple recipe to make a cake because it is made out of biscuits. Plus, if you don't have oven in your house, you can definitely make the cake in the cooker now. And the recipe's ingredients are also very easily available and just a few ingredients. So let's start. For this we require 1 pack of hide and seek biscuits and 1 pack of Parle-G biscuits. Now hide and is going to give you some chocolate into the cake. That's why we have took one hide and seek biscuit. 5 teaspoons of sugar or powdered sugar or castor sugar. 2 packets of Eno. 1 cup of lukewarm milk. We can take it more or less as per the requirement. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Alright, so we start preparing. For that, firstly we are going to grind the biscuit, and we are grinding both the biscuits separately. So first we are going to grind the hide and seek biscuits, and then next we will grind the Parle-G. So now we are going to grind hide and seek. Okay, so now in the same way we are going to grind the Parle-G biscuits. So after grinding, we got such powder, so we need to grind it nicely and finely. Okay, so now we are going to mix both of the powders, and now we will add sugar, powdered sugar, and mix it well. Now we will slowly add milk. We have added a part of milk, and then whisk and mix everything very well. Now we are going to add the remaining half milk and mix it. Keep on adding milk until you get a proper consistency. So after mixing, this is the consistency we require. So it took about that 1 cup of milk, and make sure there are no lumps. Now we are going to add some vanilla essence. Yes. Okay, so now firstly we are going to take a pressure cooker. Keep it on the flame, then take a mold. We are taking this mold. Keep it in the center like that. And then now we are going to add 2 glasses of water. And now let the water boil. Okay, so now in the very end, we are going to add Eno. That's why we done that procedure of cooker first, because it's important that you add Eno in the very end, so that we can just immediately take the cake for cooking and then combine it well. You can see it looks fluffy. So here we have greased our mold with some unsalted butter, or you can also use a butter paper. Drop your mixture into the mold. Just give it a little bit of tap. Okay, so now place your mold very gently. So yeah, it's placed there. Now we are going to take the top part and just remove the vessel like that, and now cover it. Now we are going to cook our cake for about 15 to 20 minutes on high flame. Okay, so now it's been 15 minutes. Now we are going to do the flame. Keep your cake on the low flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. So now we are going to turn off the flame. You can see we have removed the top, and you can see the cake. And now we are going to insert a knife. You can also insert a toothpick just to see if it is cooked properly or not. If a knife comes out clear like this, that means it's cooked. So this cake took in all 20 minutes, 15 minutes at high flame and 5 minutes at low flame. So there you go, your cooker cake is ready. Now let your cake cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes in the mold, and then we will demold it. Okay, so it's time to demold the cake. For that we are going to take a knife and then just demold it like that. Now place a plate on the top, flip it, and then now just tap it a little bit, and then pull the top and your cake is here. It looks really good, and you can see this cake doesn't require a much of heavy ingredients like your condensed milk or cream or anything. It's very easy, very quick, and best part is you don't need an oven. So you can bake cake very easily at home. You can see the sponge over here. It's very soft and fluffy, and then you can just ice it with some chocolate and then you can enjoy it. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.